Yeah.
Okay, so we're going live. Woo! We just saw a wolf out here. Like a wolfish dog. That shit. Yeah, all that shit. All in your fucking face.
So guys,
We got your bike.
we finna go in the laundry.
You fucking asshole.
No.
We got your bike.
You need a fucking haircut.
So y'all see.
Shut up! But let's fucking get out of
So
here. No,
I
no,
think
no.
go live on my YouTube.
Leave his ass alone. Leave his ass
So I
alone.
think go live on my YouTube.
You fucking asshole.
Live on my YouTube channel, guys. CEO. It can't be CEO.
His ass crazy as a bitch.
No,
But this dog,
W.
but
I'm
this
finna leave
wolfish,
it down.
this wolfish dog be around here all the fucking time. I don't fucking know what the fuck I'm gonna use as a light. I'm just gonna be walking the fuck around.
Where's my ball?
I got friends around here.
You put it.
Okay, I got you, ass. I got you the rest, my. Okay. You fucking cock. Suck dick. Go to sleep. You be like crying, bitch. Oh, okay. So where the fuck this? Where does this fucking wolfish dog be?
Ask him.
No. Why do you keep wanting to fucking ask people? I mean, no. Just no.
You don't want me to step on your body.
So I need to post.
You can step on it. Step on it. Come on, step on it. Does it hurt me? Nope. Nope.
Please.
You're being sarcastic, dumbass. Fuck. You wanna
Stop.
nut shot?
Nut.
I know karate, bro. You better get away from me. So where the fuck is this? Oh!
Tracks.
Fuck. Look at this asshole. Look at this asshole. He think he like Wolverine or some shit. What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck was he doing? Hey. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Well, just tell me what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that shit? I mean, I swear, if I fucking see this wolfish dog, I'm fucking out.
Come on, AJ.
Like a fucking burrito running. I'm just gonna be like... No, he didn't.
No, he be going in the woods.
He did not go this way. He went to David's house. Okay.
Hey, what's up?
What the fuck is that? You sound like a fucking burrito fucking having sex with an avocado. You sound like a burrito.
So,
You sound like a burrito having sex with an avocado. Just shut the fuck up.
dude, Ness.
Just shut the fuck up.
You.
Just shut the fuck up.
You.
Shut. Get that shit the fuck up my face. You fucking look like an avocado. That's what you look like.
So, I
No
think my
karate.
husband just been-
I'm not the I'm like the fucking cartoon KO.
Ray sound like a doodle.
You can't make jokes like
So,
me.
guys.
You suck at making turds. I mean, you suck. You really suck turds, man.
We need to ride bike.
Stop.
Fucking stop.
Then you.
So, guys.
You be fucking
It
asshole.
was
We
A blackest fucking wolf dog.
Guess what?
Like a wolf dog.
We saw
Like
the
a wolfish
game,
dog.
We saw the
Shut the
game,
fuck up.
and he was flipping an alligator. He was a boy, and he helped a boy. Big, who they call big boy.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bitch.
He was.
Shut the fuck up.
He had a beard.
Shut the fuck up.
But he gay.
Peace.
Why the fuck are you saying peace?
Say, yeah, Star Wars.
No.
No, they did not. They did not. You were just saying peach. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Don't touch that, AJ. You fucking gnat. Like fucking avocado. fucking the ground. Just like. It's probably in the woods, dumbass.
Okay.
Did you really do that?
Yeah.
You fucking asshole. You're a fucking big asshole. Oh, fuck. Dino. That's Dino. But a dog, Dino.
This is the
Go back on YouTube, bro.
Go back on YouTube.
Stop copying me. Stop copying me, right?
Stop.
A black wolfish dog. No. The beast of all beasts.
What do this mean?
Let me see. A black dog. What the fuck? A black dog description. Just put a black dog. Just say a black dog. He plays. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. You suck on my glorious dick. I got abs, guys.
Who wanna go into the woods? Who wanna go into the
Abs
woods?
like crazy.
Look at my abs.
Who wanna go into the woods?
Show him how fat you is.
I'm not fat. I got abs. He fat. This dude fat. This dude fat. This dude fat.
I'm a little fat. See? Fitness. Fitness, Luis.
Let me see.
A black dog.
Ugh.
Okay, black dog. Okay, black dog. Oh shit, there you go. No, just fucking kid. I'm gonna get elephant. Bro, you didn't even say how many likes. You dumbass.
I don't know what.
Who the fuck wants to go in the fucking woods and then there's a blackish, doggish,
With a camera.
wolfish shit?
With a camera.
Who the fuck told you to touch this shit? Everybody put it down. Put the fucking shit down. Put the shit down.
I could touch my ball.
This is not your ball.
I could touch my own ball when
You
I
can
go.
touch your ball, but you can't touch my ball.
Where's
Unless
my
I
ball?
tell you. I throw it in the woods.
No, in the house.
Hey, pass. Yeah, you suck. Did I tell you you can touch that?
Let's go in the woods.
Who the?
Bruh, do somebody got a camera?
Yeah, I have a camera.
Bruh, I'm not going to those woods in the night.
Yeah, I'm not going either. AJ, coming with me. AJ, coming with me. Okay, bye guys. Let's get this video to 5 subscribers and 5 likes.